Alright peeps, we're loaded up and ready to go. If the weather permits, we will be installing a mini split unit on the shipping container today, so stay tuned. So we're on our way to the bug out location and I found something strange. A floating leaf. It's on a spider's web. Is this sort of some kind of trap by Charlotte? What's going on here? They're underneath the shed, huh?
That orange one I took back to my house. A little bit over here by the AC. Yeah. Heavy in.
I gotta shift it whatever way I need to have
The feet, right.
Yeah. A bloop lap dip dip. Dip lap bloop dip dip lap. That's lip bloop bloop dip. Blah blah blah. I'll make these two marks here. And then we can take it down. Alright, that's it. Use your teeth. You want to talk? You want to say something to the people? Come say something to the people. The people that are watching.
I'm good.
Look at all the people.
How many people?
0.
Yeah.
0 people.
Yeah.
It's not that heavy, so. That might be perfect. That might be perfect. Max, what do we say when we do something like this? I ain't going nowhere. But he doesn't like free labor.
Put it that way more, it's gonna make
That's fine. I'm going to have to go outside and pull on it.
Right now?
Oh. Oh, this is great. Max, don't worry about it. Hey, don't worry about it, bro. Alright, so we got the inside electrical lines through, drain line through, mounted. Now to finish the outside unit and that's it, the outside unit. Alright, we got this thing all hooked up on the outside and on the inside. Haven't tested it yet, but I got these old rubber feet from the old unit. I'm gonna bolt it underneath the feet of this one. Should help with vibration on the shipping container, but these things are pretty stiff, but we'll see. Go ahead and throw some bolts through here and get her locked in, and then we gotta make a plug up on the other end so we can plug into the generator, and we'll give her a test and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Oh, thank God it works. Ah, it's feeling great. Good sucker set on 60 bar. See how hot I am? I'm all red and shit. Just in time. This little space is about to get freezing cold. Yeah!